Located in Cambridge, Wisconsin, Dancing Goat Distillery has come a long way since barreling its first batch of rye in 2017. It's now a destination spot that offers a wide range of experiences from tours and hands-on distilling classes to a rustic-chic tasting room where patrons can watch corn and rye become drinkable spirits. The popularity of both the distillery and their spirits led to several expansions for them in a 5-year period. The company handles milled corn, rye, and other grains to make the various mashes used in the distilling process. To handle more of these materials effectively, Dancing Goat twice turned to Flexicon for a solution. The first time was when they switched from the manual handling of small bags to an automated bulk bag handling system, purchasing a bulk bag discharger and flexible screw conveyor to feed material into a pair of their then equally new 1,900-gallon cookers. To realize further growth opportunities, Dancing Goat had to expedite the bulk bag unloading process. They had just purchased a much larger third cooker, and to keep it operating at peak capacity, the company installed an 85-foot-long Flexicon pneumatic conveying system. Due to low height restrictions elsewhere in the facility, they located the intake and terminus of this system in the same newly built grain handling room where the discharger had been relocated. Now for each batch, operators load bulk bags of the required grains into the discharger using a removable lifting cradle. Working comfortably at floor level, the operator easily inserts the bag straps into Z-clip strap holders. With the strap secured, the cradle is forklifted into receiving cups at the top of the discharger frame. At the bag spout interface, the operator pulls the bag spout through a power cincher flow control valve, and using a spout lock clamp ring secures the clean side of the bag spout to the clean side of a teletube telescoping tube, which keeps continuous downward tension on the bag as it empties and elongates, promoting flow. The power cincher flow control valve can be closed to allow retying of partially empty bags. Flow flexor bag activators press on opposite bottom sides of the bag, directing all of the grain through the spout and into a floor hopper that charges the flexible screw conveyor, which in turn feeds the material into the pneumatic conveying line through a pickup adapter with an air inlet filter. Load cells supporting the discharger transmit loss of weight signals to a PLC, which stops the flexible screw conveyor when a predetermined weight of material is lost. The dilute phase vacuum pneumatic conveying line transports the material across the facility to an inline bypass valve that directs it to one hopper feeding either of two smaller cookers through a Y diverter, or to a second hopper feeding the new high-capacity cooker. The pneumatic line then continues to a filter receiver that separates the conveying air from any carryover material, returning it to the conveying line feeding the cookers, allowing the carryover to be reintroduced into the conveying line. The pneumatic conveying system, which can move as much as 14,000 pounds per hour, is 3 times faster than the previous methods. The Director of Operations notes that the operation is cleaner and safer because the batching system operates under vacuum, preventing the spread of airborne dust, which could otherwise add potential fuel to a rated area containing ethanol. Learn more about Flexicon bulk bag dischargers, flexible screw conveyors, weigh batching systems, pneumatic conveying systems, and the full line of Flexicon bulk handling equipment at flexicon.com.